Quick Thanksgiving dinner for singles, student, or alone. If you don't like to go to a restaurant alone for Thanksgiving, but you want to feel festive, so this is the perfect solution. Get Deli sliced turkey breast at the store. And your favorite veggie rice? I like cauliflower rice. How about you? Cook it in the microwave according to the directions on the package. Canned turkey gravy, sweet corn. Pour the sweet corn in a bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap. Microwave it for 2 minutes. Now let's do the turkey gravy. Pour it into a bowl. That's a lot of lumps, huh? No worries, microwave it for 1 minute. You see, it's nice and smooth now. I'm using orange coloring because I want to turn it into orange color, the color of fall. I squeeze the color generously because I want to make sure it will turn orange color. Yay! I did it! It turns orange color. Then I look for fall leaf on the internet for the plating design. It's not gonna be exactly the same, but just for inspiration. There, an abstract fall leaf made out of turkey sauce. So, the deli turkey, they are sliced already. I took half of the package and folded into 2. Then put it in the middle of the leaf design. Just like that. Oh, I changed my mind. Instead, I'm putting the cauliflower rice first. Then the sliced turkey on top of it. Sweet corns on each side of the turkey. Arrange fall leaf decoration. Make sure you wash them first. Wow, they look so pretty now. Pretty and festive. Wow. Oh yeah, you're gonna be happy eating your pretty and festive Thanksgiving dinner. Bon appetit! Happy Thanksgiving! Enjoy!